Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to load a dataset in Google Collab. First, go to your web browser. Here, search for Google Collab. Now click on Welcome to Collaboratory. Then click on New Notebook. Here, click on this folder from your left panel. After that, you'll see this upload icon on your top left. Click on it. Now, you need to select the dataset from your device. Then click on Open to continue. Click OK to continue. Now click on the three dots right next to your uploaded file and select the option to copy path. After that, you need to paste this copied path in this portion of your screen. Now click on the play button. Now, if you have any proper data, it will be updated in Google Collab. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.